Today I'm back with another project review, and today we are going to review Radhe Sky by Radhe Constructions India Private Limited. Welcome back to yet another episode of Behind the Brochures with me, Sanjana. This project is located at Kollur Velimela. I have an online brochure ready with me here. This project is developed by Radhe Constructions Private Limited, and it's trusted builder for over 25 years of experience. And it's very close to the outer ring road in the west of Hyderabad. Now, this area is a peaceful area. It is surely fast growing now. There are a lot of projects that have come up in that area. Let's talk about the towers and floors. The project is spread across 10 acres and it has 7 towers. Each tower has its own cellar and it has 23 floors. So again, it is a high rise. Now, the most important part, which is nearby landmarks and hotspots. Now, talking about school, it has the Gaudium School, Samashti International School and Narayana School. IT and business hubs such as Financial District, Gachibowli and High Tech City, they are pretty close by. And the hospitals and essentials which are nearby are Continental Hospitals, Citizen Hospital, shopping and dining options are very nearby. Another important part, which is connectivity. It's just 5 minutes from Outer Ring Road. It's well connected by upcoming public transport like metro, the upcoming metro. And quickly, let's talk about the construction status. It is already RERA approved and it's under construction. And talking about the possession date, it's expected to be handovered by June 2026. Let's talk about the types and sizes of the units. So it starts from a 2 BHK to 3.5 BHK. 2 BHK ranging from 1,325 to 1,350 square feet. 3 BHK from 1,715 to 2,300 square feet. 3.5 BHK 2,595 to 2,610 square feet. Now these were the sizes of the units. Let's go talk about the basic amenities. They have a clubhouse which is 50,000 square feet with gym, with indoor games and banquet hall. They also have swimming pools, amphitheaters, kids play area, co-working space, landscape gardens, party lawn and walking track. These were the basic amenities mentioned in the brochure. Now let's look at their standout amenities. Now they have kid-centric design with trampoline park, maze garden and skate park. Kids are going to really have a lot of fun staying here because of their trampoline park. Who doesn't like trampolines, right? The maze gardens, and they also have skate parks. Now they have dedicated pet park for all you pet lovers. They have art studio and hammock gardens. I love hammock gardens. It feels so Maldivish, like it doesn't feel India, right? Having hammocks in an apartment, it's crazy. Now talking about the security, it has smart security with 24/7 surveillance and they have power backup. And it's also mentioned here in the brochure that it has over 2 lakh square feet of amenity space across the stilts and clubhouses. Now talking about the builder's track record. Radhe Constructions has delivered many successful projects. Radhe Constructions is known for its quality. So there's no second thought about it. You can absolutely go for it. Overall rating, how much would I rate? I would rate this project again a solid 9 by 10 because people who are looking for a place which is close to nature, which is close to connectivity, again which is close to IT tech hubs, this is a perfect location. And we know that the area is going to develop super fast right now, and for people who are looking for investment, definitely the appreciation is going to be pretty good. And for end users, you know, I've just spoken about the amenities. This project will be one of the best projects in Hyderabad, a 33 floored project. So this was my take on Radhe Sky. I really love this project. Get your brochure now and have a look at it, and I am going to come up with more such amazing project reviews.